Maulan siya, guys. Gabagyo. See that? Ang ulan. How many degrees outside? Check.
Doesn't show here, right?
Ang ulan, oy. Ang pangit ng weather. Almost every day here in Germany, guys, ganito ang weather.
Oh, we have lots
Always
of rain.
gloomy. Ayan, daming ulan.
The blue spot, that's us.
So,
Looks very heavy. The darker it gets, the heavier it
yeah.
is.
Yeah, good luck tomorrow, huh, Mayor? I bless you with your trip. Francis sister, hello, dong. What is that auto? Auto.
By the way, madam,
Auto.
tomorrow I will be in the train all day.
Auto, eh. Auto. Ito yung room ni Francis, guys. Hindi, wala pa tayong bed dyan, eh. Let's see. Nag-order na ako, pero hindi pa dumating. Sa IKEA lang ako nag-order. Ang tagal ko naka-decide sa bed niya ba. Tingnan nyo yung ginawa ko dito. Grabe, ginabata, eh. Bigay to siya sa amin. Tapos ginawa ko siyang lagayan ng laruan. Ayan. Open that, to. Oh, new haircut na naman yung bata, oh. First video dong with your new haircut dong. It's been a while, not vlogging. Yeah, auto. Is that auto dong? Yeah. And then, ang bang cars dyan ko muna nilagay until na makabili tayo ng ano. Until na natin ma-decide. Hindi pa to na tinutulugan. Ginawa lang yung playroom kasi wala pang bed. Ayan. Ito yung room ni Francis. Ito yung room ni Francis, guys. Ginawa, hindi pa niya tinulugan kasi wala pa siyang bed dito. And then, nag-order na ako online sa IKEA ng bed niya. And then, makikita natin yun sa next week ata. Yabol! Si Big Boy na. Si Fancy, nakatulog sa baba. Grabe. Ang tagal. Kakakain lang kasi namin ng lunch. Tapos, si Fancy, ang hirap kainin. Nagdrama siya. Nakatulog habang nagdadrama. Nakatulog. Bababa pa ako actually kasi si Frank ay magtatapon. Ball. He's showing you his ball, oy. Si Francine guys, nakatulog sa couch. And then, ayan. Natulog sa couch. Bababa ako actually kasi afternoon na dito. Tapos na kami nag-lunch. Yeah, so natalantag yun siya. Is that your car? Yeah, you're showing them. Police car. Maano to sa mga police car eh. Ayan. Ang iba. So, bababa ako, pero inaano ko pa to kasi mag-iyak na guys kung alis ako. Gas ko na lagi si mama niya. Ayan. No. Malaki-laki tong room ni Francis. So, ang plan ko is dito, diba, yung yung shelf niya. Ito yung closet niya. As much as possible, isa lang talaga para whatever is maliitan, dapat tanggalin tsaka bibili ng bago para hindi wala yung laman kasi nasa lampunan. So ayan, ito yung plan ko na ilagay ko ang bed na part from IKEA. Ito yung table ko dati sa lumang apartment. Dinala namin dito ko siya nilagay. Dito lang talaga siya nagkasya. So lagay ko lang siya dyan para, di ba, So ayan, mag-house tour tayo. Hindi ko lang, siguro mag-house tour tayo pag wala dito si Mayor kasi bukas, aalis siya, 4 nights siyang wala dito. So kami lang sa bahay. And then, so ayun. I said showing her his auto again. Auto? Is that tiny auto? Buang ginig mga auto, guys. Mga taktarak. Ayan, mama go down, okay? Ate Vanessa play with you here. Ang lakas talaga ng ulan. Bagyo siya, bagyo. Ganito lagi sa Germany, parang minsan mo lang makikita yung sunshine. Kaya pag may sun, dapat umalis ka talaga sa bahay mo. Kasi wala ng blue moon lang lumalabas yung sun dito. Always gloomy pag winter. Parang walang kabuhay-buhay. So, yun, bababa tayo guys. Kasi tulungan ko si Fang sa basement. Tulungan ko. Bagyo, grabe yung hangin. For 2 days na ata. Always ganito ang weather dito talaga guys. Ito ulit-ulit. So, haul tayo guys. Although, hindi ko sa inyo napakita yung mga lights namin, di ba? Ang iba, nabili namin sa Hardek. This one is Hardek. Ayan, that is from Hardek. This is light from our dining. And that one, that is our light here. Nag-match siya sa aming couch. Ano yan? From OB. Francene is sleeping. Bauhaus or OB? Parang hardware siya dito. And then, ano pa ba? Yung hindi natin napakita. Mag-ano lang tayo eh. Mag-hold tayo ng lights. Ito naman, ang lights ni Francene, ang bagong lights lang na binili namin is lights para sa room ni Ella and Vanessa. From Francene is yung parang sa old sa apartment namin, and ka-Francis is from old apartment. So, ito, sa Aldi lang namin ito nabili guys. I was planning na bumili sa IKEA ng lights, pero hindi kasi, maganda kasi yung lights pag nakita mo talaga ba, para alam mo kung maganda yung warm ba. Dito kasi sa Germany or Europe, sa bang bansa dito, mas gusto nila yung warm kasi para hindi malamig tingnan. Kasi diba malamig na nga dito. Yan. So, ayan. This one, I plan na i-change yung sa hallway. Ang hallway namin sa taas, wala pang light. So, ito yung plan na gusto namin ilagay doon. So, kumuha kami ng dalawa. Ayan, itatry namin siya para pag hindi namin nagustuhan, masasauli pa namin. Ayan. Ito, meron na kaming lights dyan sa hallway, sa hagdanan. Pero, i-prepare namin siya. I-change namin dito. Ito sa taas na hallway at dito naman sa baba. Ayan. And this one here, ganito siya ang itsura. Para naman to sa office ni Frank, sa baba, sa basement. Ayan, ganyan siya guys, ang magiging itsura. Meron akong di bang ganito before, pero circle, then torn out. Nabili ko yung siya sa Amazon, then torn out na malamig siya, hindi siya warm. So, cold ang light niya. Yung white lang siya ba, hindi siya gaya nito na warm. Ito yung gusto nila dito kasi para hindi malamig tingnan. So, may 3 or 4 ata ako na ganun, circles na ganito na style. So, hindi yun namin nagustuhan. So, hindi namin siya itataod or hindi namin siya ilalagay dito sa bahay. Siguro ipapadala ko yun sa Philippines. Good thing is, dito is square to, diba? So, I think malalagay ko siya dito pag ipadala ko sa Philippines. Ayan, ang lights. Kasi sa Philippines, diba, ang light natin doon is puti talaga, hindi ganito na warm. So, ayun, exchange ko ata. Pag nagustuhan namin siya ito, ilalagay ko dito sa box yung mga circle. Ayan. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this all para sa ano ni Frank, sa office niya sa baba. So, kasi kailangan siya ng lights doon. Ang gusto niya pair. So, ito na yun. Ayan, maganda siya. Square or I don't know. Basta square siya, oh. Ganito. So, ito yun. Ilalagay natin siya sa baba. Ayan. Wala, dahil nag-unboxing na lang din tayo. Madami akong box, package na dumating. Actually, ito isa, hindi ito. Unbox natin yung ano ko, unbox natin yung, pag-unbox tayo ng bag, guys. Pag-unbox tayo ng bag, kasi hindi ito siya talaga na-open ko ba. Unbox natin. Ang video na to is more on unboxing. Unbox tayo, guys. Tagal na din ako hindi nag-unbox. Normally before, nag-unbox ako ng mga damit, diba? Ito is budol ko nung, how do you call that? Before pa magpasko. Budol ko siya before magpasko. Before nangyari ang mga pangyayari before nagpasko. So, ngayon ko lang siya i-open kasi ngayon ko lang siya feel na i-open. So, open natin to. This is a bag, guys. Bag. Kasi ako, pag winter time, madaming sale. So, ngayon natin siya i-open. You make coffee for me too.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is pure milk.
Cheers. Yeah. It's
Thank
pure.
you. Thank you, Mayor. You wanna see these bags that?
What's that?
This is the bags that I've been.
got that, but
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah. So, I will open this now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ngayon ko talaga siya i-open. Ngayon ko lang siya feel na i-open. This is from Michael Kors. Ayan. This is the first one. Oh, look. Oh, there's no dust bag. Wala na namang dust bag to.
She's more concerned on dust bags than on the actual bag.
Yeah, because hindi ko kasi pagtapos ko kasi maingat kasi ako sa gamit kasi pag hindi ko ginagamit, nilalagay ko siya directly sa dust bag. I think there is. Can you open up for me? Sa the dust bag. Tada! Oh my god! Akala, this is nice. Sa the dust bag? A paper.
That is your dust bag, yeah.
Wala, walang dust bag. Wait. Feeling ko wala. This is my first black, I think. First black bag. Ayan. Another paper. Another. Sana to sa mga collection, guys. You know, girl. There is dust bag. Walang dust bag. Can you check that for me, please?
I don't think so.
Wala. Wait, pero ito yung bag. Oh my god, ang cute niya. Hala.
Look at here, that's the dust bag, the one that she always wanted to have. That's it. That's the dust bag.
Walang dust bag pala, guys. Ayan. Meron siyang pasli. Wala, ang ganda niya. So, I would suggest na katong yung mahilig sa bags, you buy only in winter time because this is really cheap. Or ang sale niya is mostly on winter time. Ayan, oh, ang cute niya, oh.
So many dust bags they put this in.
There's no dust bag, eh. Show me. Hala. It's cute. Oh, it's small.
The jogging shorts is really cute.
Nasa bahay lang. Isa lang to siya sa mga kuan ba. Pag winter time lang talaga ako bumibili ng bago eh. So that's the first one, guys. My first black from Michael Kors.
Michael Kors is like the price is because. So if I want to guess, I go to look at a bag from Guess.
Yeah, I have a guess already. Thank you very much as you gave that. And then, may isa pa. And I don't know why this is so big. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang laki ng box nito. Yeah, this is another one.
Wow, shit.
Mga budol ko dito before nagkuhan, guys. Wala ko sa mood mag-open ito kasi nga ang daming mga pangyayari na ganap. Then, andito na to eh. Dito naman, hindi ko isa sa ulit dahil lang sa mga pangyayari na ganap. So, ngayon lang natin na-open. Ang laki ng box nito. I don't understand. Anong ang laki ng box nito? Tingnan nyo ang box, guys. And actually, this one is only a small sling bag. And this is my first purple sling bag.
No, it's not.
Look at how big is the box pa. And then,
You have another purple and black one.
hmm?
You have another purple and black bag than the one that I got you at the airport.
That is pink.
Yeah.
That's not purple. The one that you gave me last year is pink.
This is purple. It's really purple.
I don't. Tignan niyo. She is so lonely inside. Kumali ba? Ang grabe naman ang nagpack nito, oy.
Are they nuts?
Ang nagpack nito, ha. Tingnan niyo ang bag.
And we have to pay for that porto? Such a big, huge box.
Then the
Why is that so heavy?
I don't know why they have to put that in that big box. You can use the big box. Do you need something for that?
No.
Tadang! This is the second one.
Unless we're moving out.
Budol ko this year. Tadang, this is nice. I like this one. Ayan, guys. It's so nice. OMG. Ngayon lang ako na-excite. Before, hindi ako na-excite kasi nga ang daming mga pangyayari dito eh. So, kaya hindi ko talaga siya inopen. Today, and sling again. Another what is this?
And those are rubbish too.
Ah, there's a dust bag. Oh!
Oh my God! Oh my
Merong
God!
dust bag. Ang isa wala. Ganyan talaga yung pag-online. Minsan, binibigyan ka na ng dust bag. Minsan, hindi. Ito, merong dust bag. Oh, and same order to silang dalawa. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit wala itong isa. Cute pa naman ang isa. This is cute. Merong mas malaki nito. There is one here like this, baby. Pero mas malaki siya. Bigger. But I picked this one. Ang cute nito. Ang cute nito.
I find that already big for a sling bag. Huh?
This one? The other one on this is bigger. Look at that. Hala. Oh. This is cute. Oh, cute din to siya. May na-order ako sa Coach, pero ano lang yung in-order ko, purse. Kasama nito, kasabay. Pero yun, in-open ko siya kasi kailangan ko talaga siya, guys. Kasi yung wallet ko kasi from MK, medyo malaki siya din. Mahilig kasi ako sa, sling bag. Mahilig ako sa sling bag, guys. And then, turn out na yung wallet ko sobrang malaki. So, umorder ako ng maliit na purse from Coach. Ano din yun siya, budol din yun siya sa winter sale, guys. Kaya, winter time lang tayo nagbubudol-budol. And then, if you make budol, make sure na yung budol mo is worth it. Hala, ang ganda din ito, oh. Ang ganda din ito, guys. Meron din siyang sling bag. Ay, sling. At dito. Mahilig kasi ako sa sling bag, guys. Kaya, yan talaga yung mostly na in-order ko. Slings. Kasi pag mami ka, mas gusto mo talaga yung slings. Ano ba ito? Tanggalin natin. Tanggalin natin. Ayan. Ayan, this is purple. Favorite color ni Ella. Purple. Ayan. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya, guys. This is cute. Pwede mo siyang gawing ganyan lang. Like ganyan. Tanggalin mo lang yung sling. Tapos ganyan lang. O, diba? This is nice. Ayan. Isa lang sa ating mga Yan lang. Ang budol natin. Mas mumura yan siya pag month of January. Sa winter time, pag month of siya after Christmas and New Year, mas magpa-final sale yan sila. Pero nag-stop na ako nagbudol kasi, madaming mga nangyayari. So, better na, so, tapos kinikip ko to siyang ganito. Except sa return. Kinikip ko siyang resibo. Ito yung return label. Hindi ko yan kailangan. So, ayun. Yan yung budol natin for this year. Nakatatlo tayo this year. Ang laki talaga ng box nito. Oh, magindang ako sa box. Ang laki. Ayan. Ayan. Ang laki ng box. Ito natin itong box. It's all paper. Plastic. Merong dust bag. Ang isa wala. Ganyan talaga pag online. Minsan, ang iba wala. Same order yan sila. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit hindi ako binigyan ng dust bag sa isa. And gusto ko kasi naka-dust bag siya, guys, kasi pag di ko siya ginagamit, nilalagay ko siya sa dust bag. And for example, this is her dust bag. And I don't see myself na gagamitin ko siya this time. Kasi sana naman ako pupunta, diba? So, ilagay natin siya sa dust bag dyan. Last year, my budol is from Coach. Mostly. Naka-order ako last year ng budol. Budol ako before. Tinatawag ko siyang budol kasi hindi kasi ako bumibili pag original price. Tinatawag ko siyang budol kasi binibili ko lang talaga siya pag naka-sale. Last year, most na aking budol is from Coach. This time naman, nakadalawang Michael Kors tayo at isang Coach. Ayan. So, that's a tip. Only buy bags or only buy designer thing pag naka-sale. At ito lang yung afford na designer ko, yung Michael Kors at Coach, yung mga ganyan. Pero pag mga mga ano na, yung mga Gucci na, wala na ako niyang ganyan. Pag Louis Vuitton na, sayang kasi ang pera. Pero pag ganito, hindi eh, ma-afford mo pa siya. Pag naka-sale, mas affordable siya. Na-afford mo siya pag naka-sale. Pero pag, ano kasi Gucci, Louis Vuitton, ibang usapan na yun. Parang ano na talaga yun ba? Parang, iba, nalalakihan na talaga ako sa pera ng ganun. Kaya, ang mostly ng mga bags ko talaga is from ano lang, from Michael Kors, Coach, or Guess. Yun lang talaga yung mga bags ko. Then, mga bigay ni Mayor, mga ganyan lang. Yan. Sa sapatos naman, budolera din ako sa sapatos, guys. Nung Pasko, before Pasko, mga gift ko sa mga bata, yung mga sapatos. Ang dami kong sapatos na nabudol online, nabudol ko din. Yan yung tip ko. Pag bumibili ako ng mga designers, like for this example, these bags, hindi ako bumibili in the, like for example, hindi naka-sale. Bumibili ako once in a year, pero pag bumibili ako, dapat budol talaga. Sayang kasi yung pera. Was, Max, do? Was? Sag hi? And pass auf?
Ay.
Uy, pass auf da rin. Du hast ang gefallen.
Oh.
Sag hi?
Ay.
Pass auf? Sag hi, guys.
Ay.
Hi, guys. Sag hi, guys.
Oh.
Hi, guys.
Gosh.
Na, my name is Francis. Sag my deine Name.
Me.
Francis. Sag Francis. Sag deine Name. Francis, meine Name.
Name. Do.
Ja?
Do. That.
Oh.
Na.
Sag, who is das here? Who's that? Sag,
Dada.
Dede? Nee. Who is that?
Dada.
Das ist? Das ist?
Mama.
Mama? Nee.
Das ist Mama.
Das ist?
Papa.
Nee. Other name. Other name.
Papa.
Other name.
Auto.
At auto? This is Ate Vanessa. Sag Ate Vanessa. Sag Ate Vanessa.
Dada.
Dede. Okay, Dede only.
Mein neuer Name ist Wasserdette.
Hm?
Sag Wasser.
Dada.
Pass auf, Dede. Du musst hinter die
Okay,
Vorne.
Dette.
Da.
Ja, ich bin voll.
Bitte. Da. Da.
Ay.
Da. Du. Wie?
Ja, liegt das so ist nicht.
Oh. Oh. Ay. Di. Dada.
Was?
Dada.
Was? You're big boy now, no? Big boy na gid siya, guys. Was? Watch out.
Fuß runter.
Mm.
Aber das ist schön.
Ja, aber das ist schon auch Purple.
Ella wird das bestimmt
Ja,
haben, wenn sie älter ist.
Liebe, ne?
Ja, sie
Liebe.
mag die lila.
Hello.
Das ist voll cool, oh mein Gott.
Oh. What do you? Da. Da.
Francis.
Du musst hier, glaube ich, dein Geld dran, dann hat man das.
Baba tayo. This is the basement. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hindi ko siya ipakita. Do you have light here? Ito yung magiging opisina ni Frank.
That's why we are doing that.
Agoy, ginoo ko. Saksak na to. I need to switch this on.
Yeah.
Tadang! We are here. Tadang! Ano to siya? Magnet ko an. Sa taas ko yan ipapalagay. Ay, may nail dito. Oh. Yan, ito yung magiging opisina niya. Malamig dito. It's a bit cold. Is the heater off here?
No.
Ano to siya, guys? Door to siya sa labas. Ayan. Ganyan pa kakalat. Ayan. Isa lang ay tatry ni Frank. Ni Mayor. Try niya kung mag-cash siya to. That one is for upstairs, na? So, ayan. Inarrange na namin to dito
I asked,
pero hindi pa
the
din.
seat is still there, no?
Yeah, it's still there. Inarrange na namin to dito Naglagay kami ng table all around like that. Then another table here. Mga tables niya. Tatry lang niya kung magustuhan niya. How many lights outlet are there? 1, 2, 3. And where is the number 4 since you get 4?
I don't know, I got 4 just in case.
There's one here. There's one. There's one. 1, 2, it's 4 all. Try lang naman kami guys dito. I-try lang namin kung mag-work to. Good job you found a smaller one. In that kind, huh?
And I want to have a big one, the same as in the hallway, but
that was too big. It doesn't fit.
it would fit there. Would be then like
Yeah?
this. Yeah.
Okay.
But I wonder how strong this light is. In
Is
the
that warm?
Yeah.
That's the purpose. It's warm. Should be warm. See, ang laki dito guys. Ang laki nitong dito. Nilinis na namin to dito. So, ito yung magiging opisina ni Mayor. And that side, yung washing area. At saka nandun, that side, yung dito na ako naghahang at the same time, nilalagay namin dito yung mga gamit na hindi ginagamit.
I cannot go as high as I need on this. I need to put an extension on that. I cannot. I need to be higher too. My feet are too short.
Did you switch that off?
Yeah.
I thought you get electric there and that's it.
Well, you're rid of me. It's,
Are you insured? At least so
is that not what you wanted?
I need to
Did I
learn
annoy you
Deutsch
so
first.
much?
So I know how to process papers, you know.
Why is that not going in? Screws already out.
I thought, so test mic. Like it's bright. It's not It's not warm. Cold light man. Nauna Mayor. Na-disappoint siya.
What the fuck?
But there's a remote.
Where's the remote?
Was there not?
No.
Cold light. It's cold light. Can you
It's
test?
not strong enough either.
Show me, show me.
It's not strong enough. It's like it's too small, that light.
Then cold light. Return yan.
Okay.
I thought there is a remote. I've seen a remote in the box. Where's the box? See?
Only like when you're. I don't know how that works.
See? There is 150, 20.
Yeah, but show me.
Where's that?
Same as that what we bought, eh?
So, the same siya. It's broke. Kuan guys, hindi warm. So, kailangan i-return. So, see? Yan lang ang kailangan namin gawin para ma-final. How about this? Can you try that here before that's also not warm? Since we are
That is
here.
normal light.
That is not warm, probably.
That's normal. No, you can change the LEDs, but I need your hand here.
Again?
Oh,
Okay.
no, I don't need.
So, needs to return. Kasi hindi yan warm light. See guys? So, yan ang pinaka-importante dito sa kanya. Pero it says man here, oh, 100%, 50, 25, 10.
Yeah, but
Einfach dimbar via van schalter.
yeah, but there's no dimming on that.
So, this is only for dimbar. This is only the switch for the one that is for that. Na, ambot lang. Kung ano ra ba ang tao, is LED, no? So, it's saving energy.
Of course, it is.
Mm-hmm.
What's the?
Show.
You showing my tummy here?
It's okay. Tummy is the proof that you're eating well.
Now you can put that there. Just gonna leave it like that, and then with that,
Is that
metal. Yeah, such a waste.
Okay.
It's not what I'm needing. It's too cold.
Needs to go back. Oh, sa uli na yan. Sa uli. Try natin to guys before baka isauli po natin. Baka hindi din palpak din. Para sa hallway to eh, sa taas. Taas at sa baba.
But I think this is like
Fine.
cozy light.
Okay.
This is like not.
So,
not
to try
as bright
namin
as
yan.
what I need.
Okay. Ah, hala, this is brighter.
This is better.
How to switch this off?
Pull that out.
Oh, it's more nice and cozy. Oh,
Yeah, that's better.
they only have two of that?
Yeah.
Oh, diba? Can you warm siya guys and nice and cozy? That is perfect in the hallway then. Since you want to have all pair.
Yeah, then okay.
Oh, da? Or you want that?
We put that in there. Yeah, I would want that, but I need to have more, and then it's not gonna.
Check that when you come back there. Maybe people are returning too.
No, don't think so. They won't be returned.
This is nice. Okay to guys. Hindi to isa sa uli namin. Sa hallway to. But if you see, Kuan, I prefer that. You have it over
Hallway.
like
That goes in the hallway.
okay. Two of them, na?
Yeah.
Upstairs and downstairs.